Imagine if we could unravel the secrets behind the power of thoughts, as if they were keys capable of opening doors to a new reality. Today, we challenge the limits of conventional thinking to discover the unexplored universe within us. Why do our thoughts have so much power? The answer may redefine not only what we think is possible but who we believe we are. Let's dive into the deepest layers of the human mind. Each thought, no matter how insignificant it may seem, can be the seed that shapes our reality. Are you ready to explore beyond self-imposed limitations? Let's go beyond the surface of what we perceive. The interaction between mind and reality is a vast and mysterious terrain. At the end of this journey, you will not only understand the influence of thoughts but also find yourself in front of a mental mirror, questioning how you are consciously creating your existence. Many of us fall into the trap of waiting for external circumstances to shape our emotional state. This conditioned mindset traps us in a cycle of expectations and frustrations, putting our emotions in the hands of the external world. It is a dangerous trap. If we think happiness is conditioned by external factors, we become hostages in a constant, often frustrating quest. Why wait for something external to make us feel a certain way? By understanding this trap, we take the first step towards freeing ourselves from this illusory dependence. True emotional autonomy begins when we recognize responsibility for our own state of being and the connection between thoughts and the creation of our reality. Have you ever felt stressed just thinking about something? Our thoughts have the power to make us sick, but they can also be catalysts for well-being. Stress occurs when the delicate balance between our brain and body is disturbed. Understanding that your state of being is an amalgam of your thoughts and emotions is crucial. How to break the negative cycle? The key is to shift focus from memories of the past or negative thoughts to a vision of the future. If we don't have a compelling vision of the future, we tend to repeat the same routines. Our personal reality begins to shape our personality. Your thoughts have the power to shape not only your perception of reality but also the texture of the emotions you experience. Recognizing that we are creators of our emotional reality frees us from the bonds of external dependency. True mastery of life is the ability to cultivate positive experiences within us, regardless of external circumstances. Emotional empowerment doesn't mean denying adversity but facing it with resilience. Our thoughts and emotions don't need to be hostages to external chaos, they can be the calm and the center of the storm. Peace, joy, and fulfillment are not external achievements but internal states to be nurtured. How does quantum physics fit into this? It offers a fascinating mirror to examine not only the subatomic world but also the complexities of our own existence. We are more than observers, we are active participants in creating our lives, our reality. I invite you to reflect on the transformative power within you. What if we collectively committed to nurturing self-love? How would this current of positivity shape not only our individual lives but all of humanity? Remember, we are all alchemists of our own reality. Each thought, each emotion must be cultivated with awareness, love, and care. As we explore the recesses of our minds, we learn that the true magic lies in becoming aware of our thoughts. In this continuous quest for self-knowledge, we realize that true freedom lies in mastery over our minds. The thoughts we choose to cultivate not only shape our perception of reality but also dictate the emotions that permeate our existence. What we experience around us is not an escape from reality but a deep dive into the essence of reality. Every conscious thought, every choice, shapes not only the present but also the future we are destined to experience. In every effect, there is a cause, which leads us to the next step, the paradigm shift. The paradigm shift in this context is more than an idea, it's a transformation in how we perceive ourselves and the world around us. We are not limited by the determinism of the past, we are creators of possibilities, sculpting spacetime with every choice we make. By embracing the active role we play in the unfolding of our lives, we are called to abandon passivity and embrace conscious co-creation and self-love. It starts a quiet revolution that echoes in all aspects of our existence. Self-love transforms our relationships. When we emanate an energy of acceptance and compassion towards ourselves, we create a vibrational field that resonates with the world around us. When we cultivate self-love, we initiate a revolution, albeit a quiet one, that echoes in every aspect of our existence. Consider for a moment how the magnetic influence of self-love can transform our relationships. When we emanate an energy of acceptance and compassion for ourselves, we create a vibrational field that resonates with the world around us. Know that self-love is not selfishness. When we truly love ourselves, we learn to love and understand others genuinely. Positivity, a faithful ally of self-love, is the alchemist that transforms obstacles into opportunities. By choosing to see the world through eyes of gratitude and hope, we also shape the nature of our daily experiences. It's entirely possible to witness how individuals who cultivate self-love emanate a light that inspires and elevates their journeys. They become living narratives of overcoming resilience and joy, and self-love becomes the epicenter of your transformation, reverberating beyond yourself. I invite you to reflect on the transformative power that exists within you. What would happen if collectively we committed to nurturing self-love? How would this current of positivity shape not only our individual lives but all of humanity? I ask you to take a moment to reflect on everything we've discussed today. Remember, we are all alchemists of our own reality. Each thought, each emotion must be cultivated with awareness, love, and care. As we explore the recesses of our minds, we learn that the true magic lies in becoming aware of our thoughts. Each thought is a link in the chain that builds our life experience. When we understand this, we empower ourselves to take the reins of our existence. You are the architect of your reality. Each moment of introspection, each reflection, is a step towards self-knowledge and personal mastery. Ask yourself, which thoughts am I choosing to cultivate? They determine the quality of your daily journey. Your choices today shape your tomorrow. When we focus on the present, we open the doors to a future full of possibilities, joys, and discoveries. Live in the now but with an eye towards the future you wish to create. Recognize the power that resides in your mind. Your thoughts are like a garden, you decide which seeds to plant. Cultivate positive, nourishing, and inspiring thoughts. They will transform into actions that reflect the inner beauty of your soul. Consider life as a flowing river. You can choose to swim against the current or flow with it. When we accept life with gratitude and positivity, even in difficult moments, we learn to flow with the current, finding peace and harmony in the process. When we change our thoughts, we transform our emotions. This is the path to a more fulfilling and satisfying life. You have the power to transform your emotional reality. Choose thoughts that lift your spirit and nourish your soul. The journey within yourself is the most valuable path you can take. By connecting with your inner self, you discover a universe of unlimited potential. You are stronger than you imagine and wiser than you believe. Within you lies immense power waiting to be discovered and utilized. Each choice you make is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. With every thought, you paint a new scene. Choose the colors of joy, peace, and love. You are the artist of your own existence. Paint a reality that reflects who you truly are. You are the protagonist of your story. Don't settle for being a passive spectator, be the active creator of your experience and partisan of your destiny. May this reflection inspire you to embrace each day with enthusiasm and hope. Keep your heart open to love, your mind open to new ideas, and your spirit ready for the adventures that life has in store. Remember, the power to create an extraordinary life is in your hands. May this knowledge inspire you to explore the vast territories of your mind with curiosity and acceptance, and may your inner light guide your path to a life full of meaning, purpose, and authenticity. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.